Hi guys, welcome, hope you're all good. In today's video we're going to be announcing the winner of the Zeiss Batis lens giveaway and also talking about sliders, and in particular this one, which is the Zeapon, whatever you want to call it, Micro 2. And I've just got this in. I'm going to do a first look, unboxing, and we'll talk about why I've bought this slider over other ones and try and give you some sample footage as well. This is an 16 inch slider, so it's only 16 inches in length and it's got a total travel distance of 20 inches, so pretty impressive, and it will take a payload of 4.5 kilos. So let's get into the video right now. Hi, this is Camera Cravings. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, click the bell for notifications, like the videos, all that good stuff. But if you aren't new here and you did enter the lens giveaway competition on the last couple of videos, here it is, and I'm going to now announce who has won this Batis lens. So just going to do a random scroll through the comments on the first video and the last video, and here we go. So Eric Garcia, I'll put your comment below, but you said, I'd love to see a built-in ND and 10-bit color and 4K slow-mo, and all of those things I totally agree with. So well done, Eric. Hope you enjoy getting some good use out of this wide-angle Batis lens. It's a really great lens. You'll really enjoy using it. What I need to do is, if you contact me on Instagram, I'll put my Instagram somewhere up here, get in touch, DM me, and then we can work out where I can send this to. I think you're based in the UK, but I'm not sure. So yeah, let me know and we can work out all the postage stuff. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed entering the competition. And for those of you who didn't win, I will be doing another competition, hopefully when I hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm getting quite close to. So in the next few weeks, fingers crossed. And yeah, felt quite nice giving that away. So yeah, I'll try and do a few more giveaways in the future. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I wanted to show you this, which is the Zeapon, I don't know how to say it. It's a Chinese brand, I think. And it's a motorized slider. This slider actually comes in a non-motorized version, and I'll put up on screen what the cost of the different versions is. But if you buy this motor unit separately, it costs quite a lot more. So I bought the whole lot, and I bought the package that also includes these fold out feet. So as you can see, it's got like a stand with 4 really good quality metal feet. So what I'll do is I'm going to just show you a quick unboxing that I filmed earlier. So show you what you get in the box and then talk about what I think about the quality, first impressions. Okay, so in the box you have the Easy Lock feet in a separate box. All the packaging got a bit hammered through Amazon, so not looking great, but yeah, you get the feet. They feel really sturdy and it's all metal, quite heavy, just yeah, feels really good quality. As you can see, you've got the main piece with the feet that fold in nicely. You've got a little plate that you can use to attach to the tripod, and that little screw at the end there essentially allows you to just do a quick release on the plate, which then you can put on and off a tripod. The feet fold out and can be adjusted individually, which is nice. So if you're on a slightly uneven surface, you can get it nice and level, and you can use this on a tabletop or any other surface really on the ground. Seems pretty good though. Really like the quality of everything. This is the plate I was talking about, which just flew off, and you can basically attach it. You've got a little 1/4-20 like tripod thread, male to female, so that you can adjust the size. But yeah, overall that feels really robust and nice bit of kit. Let's have a look at the actual slider. So this is the Micro 2 slider. Again, the packaging is all a bit beaten up. In the box you're greeted with the instruction manual. Got the kind of quick start guide, which is actually really thick and I haven't been through properly yet, but tells you all about how to use it with the phone app and gives you instructions on how to set up A and B points to create different movements, and just gives you general instruction. There's not many buttons on the unit. This feels pretty heavy. I think it's about 1.8 kilos. It feels robust, feels strong, nice kind of machine engineered aluminium. Got some cables there. We've also got a neoprene little bag there. We've got a load more cables there as well. Feels a bit like wetsuit material, but it's really nice, and I'm definitely going to use that when I take it away with me traveling. So as you can see, the easy lock feet attach at the base of the unit, and you've got a standard screw there to attach it. Once you've got it lined up, it's pretty easy to attach because it's got a nice little grab bit on it. So if you don't have a tool, it's not a problem. And then once it's secured down, the whole unit sits nicely on the feet, and it's decent. I like it. I like the fact that you've got that option. You don't have to have a tripod with you if you don't want to carry one. You've got a couple of buttons on the top for the side-to-side motion. So it's very simple. You've just got those two buttons, and then on the side of the unit you've got the power button, which indicates the power on and also the speed. You've got three little blue dots which indicate what speed it's at, and then you've got a couple of little ports on the side, which you've got a little USB-C and then a little sync port as well. The unit can be powered by battery, so the Sony MPF batteries that you get tons of. They're really easy to get hold of, they're really cheap. Pick them up for about $15 to $20 for a decent one, and I have quite a few of them that I use for monitors and other gear, so it's quite good. It slots right in on the side there. The only thing that feels a little bit rubbish is there's no kind of locking mechanism, so it just slides in, but it doesn't feel that secure, unlike on like monitors that I've got that have the button to stop it falling out. I've been looking for a slider for absolutely ages, but I wanted something that was compact, and I didn't have the budget to spend on like something like the Edelkrone Slider 1, which is a lot of money. I'll put the prices up, but I didn't have the money for that. Didn't have the money for the Rhino Arc, which is another motion control system that just looks absolutely awesome. But I've gone with this, which is the Zeapon. Essentially, you can run this off of the Sony MPF batteries that I've got a load of. Let me see if I can grab one. There we go. So that was on my monitor, and it also will go on here very easily. Those batteries are great, they're really cheap. I'll put some links in the description to them. I'll also put links in the description to this. I bought this off Amazon after seeing a couple of reviews on it. Just wanted to try it out really, and do some time-lapse stuff with it, use it for product B-roll, all that kind of stuff. And as you can see, it's pretty small. It's, I think, 16 inches. This one has the motorised unit on it. There you go. And it can go on a tripod as well, and it actually comes with a really nice little sort of plate system, which you can just unlock using that kind of screw there, and it releases this plate, so then it will just come straight off and then go onto a tripod. So that's quite a nice little feature. First impressions are it's pretty good weight to it. I think it weighs, I think it's like 1.5 kilos maybe. I'll put all the stats up on screen, but it's it's not, the build quality feels really good. It looks, it's made of what looks like aluminium, and it's got a decent belt on it, and it just seems really good quality for the money. This was $459 on Amazon. That's pounds. I think dollars, you're looking at around $400 for the same thing. If you buy the cheaper version without the motorised unit, you're looking at about 200. And obviously the feet also cost money. This little easy lock feet thing costs about 60. So yeah, if you do want to pick one up, have a look in the description. I'll put some links, but essentially what it's giving you is a very versatile compact slider that will, if I just switch it on, yeah, we're on, it will slide a greater length than its length, if that makes sense. So there's a few of these on the market that will go kind of quite a long way compared to their size, and this is one of those, so it kind of has a double action almost. Be interested to see how stable it is once I put it on a tripod. But yeah, so far build quality seems really good. It's got 3 modes, so you hit the, let me just show you, so you hit the power button here and it's got, can you see the blue lines there? It's got 3 modes, so it's got a slow, medium and fast essentially for the movement. You can use the buttons to slide it across. You can set up, if you double tap the power button, you can set like waypoints, so an end point A and B, and then it will move between those 2 points without having to use the app on the phone. It does come with an app for your mobile phone that you can set up all these kind of different paths with it and different shots you want. You can also use it kind of vertically on a tripod. I've seen people using it that way, and I'm really interested just to try it out and get some really nice product B-roll with it and some time lapses. I want to try and do some astrophotography in the next couple of weeks, so time lapse stuff. And yeah, let me know if you've got any questions about this and anything you want me to test out on it. I've seen a few reviews of it, but most of them were people who had been sent them by the company or were kind of sponsored videos. So I wanted to do an independent review. I've bought this with my own money, as with all my videos. No one's sending me anything because I'm not a big channel yet. And yeah, just let me know in the comments if you've got any questions about it, if there's anything you want to know specifically, and I'll try and answer it. And then yeah, I'll do a follow-up video in the next couple of weeks, which will show kind of a bit more test footage and give my final thoughts on what I think of it after using it for a while. But I'm hoping this will become part of my kit. What's nice is it comes with this kind of neoprene, almost like wetsuit material bag, which the whole thing slides into. You have to take the battery off, but essentially the whole thing slides in, and it's just a really compact solution. Like this will fit in my camera bag. Let me just grab it. So I'm going to be taking Peak Design camera bag out and about with me. This is the 45 litre travel bag, and it actually will fit lengthways easily, very comfortably, in the main portion of my bag. And although it weighs a bit, for a compact slider, let me just get out of the way, it's pretty good actually. And I think what I'll do is put a ball head on top of here, and I think you can also use it with a gimbal. So I don't have any kind of other motion control stuff other than a gimbal. I've got the Ronin SC, which is up there, which I'm going to mount onto this. I saw Jake Sloan, I think it was, did a video where he mounted it and used the tracking on the gimbal to double up a kind of slide shot with a tracking panning shot on some product stuff. So I want to try and do that, see how that goes, and yeah, really excited to try this out. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you haven't subscribed already, do consider subscribing below and clicking the bell for notifications. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. The next one is going to be talking about the 3 kind of best value E-mount lenses that I use most. So look out for that video. I'll probably be posting that next week. And yeah, hope you've enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time.